Earlier on, you saw me complete the layers through here. Angel's existing fringe fell away, and that's what I'm going to work on next. I'm going to work on a full, solid, heavy fringe. To do that, I'm going to avoid tension, over direction, and elevation. So that means letting Angel's hair fall, not how I want it to fall, but how her hair wants to fall. It's in a very, very natural way. So I'm now going to start and work from a shorter side into a slightly longer middle. I've sectioned Angel's hair off diagonally. I've taken the hair behind her ear and tucked it behind there where I want to keep my long length at the very front. I'm now going to use the wide end of the comb, set her hair, so I'm lifting her hair onto my comb using a little bit of elevation through here, and I'm going to cut from slightly longer to slightly shorter. What I've found is it's easier to cut a little piece, let it fall, take a look, cut it again, take a look, cut it again. There we go. I'm going to cut this little corner through here on the skin. Before I move on, I'm just again going to let Angel's hair fall, not how I want her hair to fall, but how it wants to fall. The remaining sections come into this line with just a little bit more elevation. So I'm lifting just a little higher every time. Suitability-wise,